Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome our channel for 0 hours for interesting, unbelievable articles. Antarctica is the coldest and most mysterious place on Earth. Beneath miles of ancient ice, there could be secrets no human has ever discovered. One day, scientists detect a strange signal coming from deep below the frozen surface. At first, they believe it's just another geological anomaly. But after running multiple scans, they realize the signal repeats in a perfect mathematical pattern. Nature rarely creates something this precise. An international research team is immediately assembled, and within days, a drilling expedition begins in one of the most remote locations on the planet. Hour after hour, the drill cuts through layers of ice that have remained untouched for millions of years. Then, without warning, the drill suddenly breaks into an enormous empty chamber. A robotic camera is lowered into the darkness, and what it captures leaves the entire team speechless. Hidden beneath Antarctica lies a gigantic underground structure unlike anything ever recorded. Massive metallic walls rise from the ice, covered with glowing blue geometric symbols that match no known language on Earth. Curiosity quickly overcomes fear, and the team decides to enter the chamber. Every step echoes through the frozen silence. The air is still. The temperature drops even lower. It feels as if this place has been waiting for someone to arrive. As the scientists scan the mysterious symbols, something incredible happens. The glowing patterns suddenly become brighter. The ground begins to vibrate. A deep mechanical sound echoes through the chamber as a colossal ancient doorway slowly opens. Beyond it lies an even larger hall, untouched for countless ages. At its center floats a brilliant crystal sphere suspended in midair. No one touches it, yet it suddenly activates on its own. Blue light floods the chamber, and a massive holographic projection appears above the explorers. First, the Earth comes into view, then the entire solar system, then countless stars stretching across the galaxy. Doesn't look random. It looks like a message, a map, or perhaps a warning. But who created it? And who was it meant for? The answer may be hidden deeper beneath the ice than anyone ever imagined. As the hologram expands, one distant star suddenly shines brighter than every other light in the galaxy. Strange symbols begin orbiting around it, almost like coordinates pointing toward an unknown destination. The scientists record every second, hoping to understand what they're seeing. Then the crystal sphere grows even brighter. Waves of blue energy spread across the chamber as every symbol on the walls lights up at once. It feels less like a machine and more like something waking up after an unimaginable amount of time. Suddenly, the hologram disappears. The chamber falls silent. The crystal slowly loses its glow, leaving the explorers surrounded by darkness once again. Realizing the structure could become unstable, the team gathers every piece of data they can and begins the long journey back to the surface. Once they return to the research station, scientists from around the world analyze the recordings. They compare the symbols with every known language, every ancient civilization, and every scientific database ever created. Nothing matches. No explanation can fully account for what they discovered beneath the ice. Was it the remains of a forgotten civilization? A message left behind by an unknown intelligence? Or simply a natural phenomenon far beyond our current understanding? No one knows. Even today, Antarctica remains one of the least explored places on Earth. Beneath its endless ice, there may still be mysteries waiting to be uncovered. But remember, this story is a fictional mystery created for entertainment and imagination, inspired by the unknown. Sometimes, The greatest discoveries begin with a single question, and sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction. If you enjoy cinematic mysteries, hidden secrets, and impossible discoveries, subscribe to 0 Hour, because the next mystery might be even more unbelievable.